Hello everyone, this is Seema here, your best friend from Blackboard Learners. And in one video, I have already explained something about tenses. And again today, I'm going to explain the next thing about the tenses. Okay, so let's start from present continuous. Before this, I have explained the simple category of every tense: present simple, past simple, and future simple. Now I'm going to explain the continuous category. We will learn whenever we will study about present tense, it will be present continuous, and with the past tense, it will be past continuous, and with future tense, it will be future continuous. So let's start. It is, it usually defines an act that is going on at the time of speaking. Whenever we are talking about this particular action, वो उस टाइम तक कंटिन्यू रहता है, ठीक है. It usually defines an act that is going on, जो कि अभी भी चल रहा है तब जबकि आप उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. So for making the sentences of this tense, we have to use the helping verbs is, am, and are. And is we will use with he, she, it, name with any singular, and are will be always used with we, you, they, and plural, and am is always used with I. The structure which we will follow to form the sentence is that first हम सबसे पहले subject रखेंगे. Subject यानी the person which is or thing which is important, playing an important role in the sentence, and after that helping verb according to the sentence, according to the subject. If singular then is, if plural then are, or अगर I subject है then am will be there. Plus verb first form plus ing and object if any. Okay. Next is, some examples are there, like Hima is talking to the teacher. They are having their breakfast at the moment. I am still living here. I'm going for a walk. Are you coming with me? And are you understanding what I'm telling? Am I redecorating the sitting room? I am redecorating the sitting room. What are you waiting for? So these all are the sentences which is, representing the continuous tense, and hope you understood. Agar aap iski practice karenge, then definitely you will get many things. Next is past continuous tense. Past continuous, always indicates the activities that have already happened at the past, जो कि पहले past में हो चुकी हैं, and have been completed for the time of mention. उस time तक complete हो चुकी हैं जबकि आप उनके बारे में बता रहे हैं या जब आप उनके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Helping verbs which we will use in this tense are was and were. Was will be used with all the singular like he, she, it, name, और कोई भी particular singular person, और I के साथ भी हम was का use करेंगे. And were will be used with we, you, they, and any plural. The structure which we will follow to form the sentences is subject plus a was या were में से कोई भी एक helping verb रखेंगे according to your subject. If subject is singular, then was will be there, and if plural, then were will be there. Plus verb plus ing, इसमें भी आप present continuous की तरह verb first form में ing रखेंगे, and after that we will add object if any. Now examples are there. I was working at 11 p.m. yesterday. We were playing football when it started to rain. He was washing the dishes. You were writing an article. You were writing an article. They were dancing during study hours. It was raining in the evening. So that would be sentences. If you will practice, you will get a lot. And if you are getting anything from my videos, then please I request you to like, share and subscribe. And Telegram पर जाना ना भूलें. जरूर Telegram check करते रहें और उस पर जुड़ें हमसे. Next tense I'm going to explain is future continuous. Future continuous tense is used for those sentences which refers to the action which will occur later. कोई भी ऐसा एक्शन जो कि बाद में होगा, आगे के टाइम में होगा, वो फ्यूचर को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा, जो कि आगे होने वाला है, that will represent in the future. This requires a future auxiliary verb. और इसमें एक future auxiliary verb यानी कि एक ऐसी helping verb यूज होगी जो कि फ्यूचर को रिप्रेजेंट करेगी. It defines those acts which will be continuous at the future point of time. Future point of time से मतलब future के reference में वो continue रहेंगे. Helping verbs which we will use are will be and shall be. Will be हम use करेंगे he, she, it, name or otherwise with any singular. And shall be का use करेंगे हम I, we, you, they and plural के साथ. The structure which we will follow to form the sentences are subject plus will be and shall be according to the subject. If subject is singular, then we will use will be, otherwise shall be. Verb plus first form ing and object if any. Verb का first form में ही हमेशा ing लगता है. This will be clear. This should be very clear to you कि आप किसी और फॉर्म में ing नहीं लगा सकते. वर्ब के फर्स्ट फॉर्म में ही ing we have to add. These are some sentences which will help you to form your sentences with these helping verbs. So she will be walking all the way to her house. I will be watching movie tomorrow by this time. मीन्स कल का टाइम वो रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं कि कल मैं इस टाइम ऐसा कर रहा हूँगा. ओके, सो ये वर्क जो है फ्यूचर में कंटिन्यू रहेगा. दे विल बी साइक्लिंग. यू विल बी मेकिंग फन ऑफ योर्स. सो होप I'm trying to make you understand all the things related to grammar. और मुझे लग रहा है कि आपके समझ आ रहा है और मुझ तक अपनी बात पहुंचाने के लिए कि हाँ आप समझ रहे हैं. Please like, share and subscribe. This is only the way by which I can get your words. And thank you so very much for watching. Your best friend Hema Sharma. Thank you.